Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. All right, so guys, right now we, as you see from the title, the thumbnail is going to be setting up of the tree. So we got Sassy Shan over here. Oh, let me show you Sassy Shan. And we got this little one here. What is your name? Leston. All right, I got this one over here. Let's bring it in. Where is she? There is she. Hi. Where's your vlog? Oh, yes, that's her vlog. So we're going to start, people. We're going to get the tree and all, and then we're gonna start setting up. We're gonna be right here. We're going to get the decor and then we are gonna come back to y'all. We are going for the decor. Alright, so the decor is somewhere in this room. Alice, which one is ours? We got the tree down there. Yay! Shan, where are you? Oh,
You come here. Missy one place and start marking and then we can go. Amar, why you go under this one?
No. Alright guys, so the tree is now loved. I don't think I can do anything else, but yeah. Right.
Oh wait, so take up back your white mat. We have to put it white with time. skirt. You too drop.
That tree skirt then? Okay, no, that's it.
They're not senior.
You can't get one more this time. Okay, she's putting light on your back.
Yeah. So the girls, yeah.
Oh, beautiful star of Bethlehem, beautiful star of Bethlehem, shine now. Okay, here, I want to get this on my camera. Yeah, wait, you didn't wait for the applause. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Did you break it?
No, it's just that I have to what do you call it? Oh yeah, they break something off of it.
Star. Good job.
Tell her we could put it up there. Yeah, up there. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Does it look up there? Right there. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right now. I'll show it to you guys in the night so when we light it up. So yeah, we have some under the curtains. You can't see it right now, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.